Welcome to Aleph. Today's video is on using in-class games. In-class games are a great way to differentiate for small group instruction, instill a sense of competition between your students, and it can be used before, during, or after a lesson to reinforce the content. So for today's tutorial, we will use Lesson 6. You go to View Lesson. You go to your Activities tab and you add a game. Give your game a title and you choose your questions. Now please note that you are not able at this time to upload your own questions, but you are able to choose from our bank of questions. We have a total number of questions available. If you want to replace a question, you choose Replace, and you can choose a question from the current lesson or from any previous lessons that have been available to your students. So let's say we choose from this lesson. We want to choose this question. You scroll to the bottom and you choose Replace. So now your game question has been replaced with the question that you chose. Again, you scroll to the bottom. You can choose to save your game or start the game immediately. If you choose to save your game, it is not available to your students immediately. This option can be used when you're planning your lesson and you want to make the games ahead of time so that when it comes time to use the games, all you need to do is start the game. But for today's purpose, we will start the game. You will notice that you have no students who have joined and you have 15 students who are available to join. For the student, they will receive a pop-up when you are ready to start the game. They can choose to play immediately or skip. So we're going to skip so that you are aware of where students need to go if they did not immediately log into the game. So they will go to Lesson 6. The game is now available in their extra content. They click on the game and now it will tell you that the game is available to start. We will go back to the teacher view and you will notice that that one student has now joined the game. At this point, you are able to start the game. Please note that this game does require an active internet connection. So if at any point during the game, you or your student has an inactive internet connection, you or your student will be removed from the game.